Want to start using Google Authenticator, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Google Authenticator app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Google Authenticator, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Google Authenticator at the top. Tap Google Authenticator when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Google Authenticator. That's all it takes to download Google Authenticator. Want to try out other Google services? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.